In this video, we will be discussing the performance comparison of for loop and list comprehension in Python. To compare the performance of for loops and list comprehensions, let's take a look at a simple example. Here's the code for a for loop. The completed the execution in 3.5 per second using loop. And here's the code for a list comprehension, and completed the execution in 2.17 second. As you can see, the list comprehension is faster than the for loop in this case. However, it is important to note that the difference in performance may not be significant for small. But as the size of the list increases, the difference in performance becomes more pronounced. That's all for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.